Great with my voice, I love it. Okay, so we go to Blackboard, go to Excel assignments, this is Excel 2. I click on it, open it up. All yellow boxes must have answers in them with Excel formulas, except number 5, 8, 10, and 11, and of course your name box. So you're going to put your name in there. Just so, enable editing, put my name, okay. So the assignment is, you are purchasing a house for $160,000, you're putting down a 5% down payment. The loan payment, however, is at 6% for 20 years. In Excel, calculate the present value, I, total number of payments, see below. So your mortgage amount, or your present value, and your down payment. First, you're going to come to this second cell, down payment. You're going to type equal 160,000, right? Times what? Down payment. The 5%. Okay? Now I'm going to put a different amount in there because I don't want to give you the answers. So I'm going to put 8% down. So that's your down payment. That's an erroneous amount. Your mortgage payment, you start every calculation with equal. It's 160,000 minus your down payment. Do me a favor, click in the box. Don't type the number in there. Okay? So this amount is wrong. Remember it because my down payment's wrong. You're going to calculate I. You start every equation with an equal sign. What's the interest rate of the loan? 6%. Be careful, 6%. So 0.06, what are we going to divide it by? 12. Okay? N. We're going to calculate N. Equals, how many years is the loan? 20 times 20 years times what? 12. Now, you'll notice we're going to calculate payment 3 times. All 3 of those numbers should be the same, within a penny. We're going to do 1 by this one, you're going to do it by hand. You're going to take a piece of paper from our formula sheet and calculate mortgage by hand. Okay? Second one, we're going to do that one. We're going to use a mortgage function. Equals. We're going to go up here to formulas. We're going to do financial. And we're going to look for payment. Right there, that payment. A dialog box comes up. Going to move it over here. The rate. I'm going to click in the rate. I'm going to click in the number of payments. Do I click in present value or future value? Present value, I give you, we owe on this erroneous problem, 147,200. So I give you the present value, you click OK. The other 2 boxes you can leave. Yes?
You didn't both the division side and the right box.
You put a negative from the same positive in the formula.
I did.
No, you put a negative in the formula.
Oh yeah, you can. Now, I want to show you now, the reason it's in red in parentheses, because it's a debt if you've taken accounting. You can leave it like that. Oh, what the heck? That is not the correct payment. Rate. Oh, that's what you're saying. Thank you. I forgot to put the divide sign. Thank you. Okay. That makes much more sense. Okay, I didn't put the divide in the I. Okay. This box, you're going to use that formula. You're going to copy and paste it right here into here. And then you're going to click in the present value cell. You're going to click in the I cell. You're going to click in the I cell and the N cell. That number should be this one. Okay? Here, give 4 solutions to reduce monthly payment. We just went over those 4. You're going to type in some words. Okay? 9. You're going to copy this website, open up a browser, paste it in there, and this is a different one. So you're going to put the principal. In our case, it was about 147,000. Payments per year is 12. Interest rate. This is the annual interest rate, not I, because this website is used by common people. They don't understand I. So our interest rate is going to be 6%. We're not having 30-year payments. We said 20 years, correct?
Yes.
So there's 300 payments. There's no balloon payment, and click in show your amortization schedule. Calculate. There's your payment. This payment should equal the other 3 payments. There's also a summary here. Now, this amount I borrowed is incorrect, remember that. But this shows you your payment. It shows you your total, the total interest you're going to pay. It also gives you this amortization table, okay? And I ask you questions about this. I ask you, this is the end of the first year, the 12th payment. I ask you some information, like what's the principal balance? How much interest have you paid that first year? How much have you paid down the principal? Okay? This is a list of the interest you're paying on the loan. You'll notice it goes down by a couple of dollars. However, the amount towards your principal goes up. These 2 amounts will equal your payment. Remember that. You're going to copy and paste this. Watch this. The first 2 years, I think I asked. First 3 pages. Okay. First 3 years are fine. To tell you the truth. Down here. Why is this paste? And that's all, okay? That's what I'm looking for. So, from the website, how much total interest is paid? From the website, what is the remaining principal after the first year? Here's an example. Other closing expenses, your attorney, your bank attorney, title, deposit for taxes, miscellaneous. I ask you, in Excel, count the amount of money needed during closing. You need the deposit plus these fees. I want you to type that in. Copy and paste the first 3 pages. First 3 years is fine. As I did down here, I want to make sure that you did the amortization table. Okay? Any questions? You save it and submit it in Blackboard. Thank you. Notice I got a new phone, so there's more